Do you have an error with the smime3 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Mozilla working again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for smime3 Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the smime3 Library, the S and MIME Cryptography Library, v3. It provides unmanaged routines for secure email encryption and digital signature verification. It manages the orchestration of public key infrastructure, PKI, manifests for localized email data links. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Because smime3 Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including smime3 Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like smime3 Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If smime3 Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including smime3 Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.